Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and in this video I want to show you the work of Upprinting Food, a company that is printing food, 3D printing food with what we can generally call ugly food or wasted food. So the company again is called Upprinting Food. This is their website. I will put a link in the description below. And what they're doing is pretty simple, but at the same time, I think quite remarkable. They say worldwide, 1/3 of food produced is wasted. The most wasted food product in the Netherlands, where they are based, is bread. Next to that, vegetables and fruit are often thrown away because they are too ugly or too ripe to be sold. Upprinting food is a way to use residual food flows and create delicious tasting and looking foods. By blending and combining the different ingredients from residual food flows, purees are created, which are then 3D printed by a food printer. These prints are baked and dehydrated for crunch and longevity. We currently have created several recipes, both bread and rice bread, and we are working to create new recipes all the time. We are focusing on collaborating with high-end restaurants to help them reduce their residual food flows and to create a unique dining experience. So this is the type of things that they have been working on. Biscuits, crackers type of food. If I take my face out of the way. Is mainly what they are printing right now. And so these are the things that they do as a company. Design services. We co-create with chefs to create unique and personalized designs that really fit their dishes. So if you want to feature their products, their upcycled 3D printed food, you can call them. They also work on unique recipes. We provide chefs recipes to print from their own residual food flows to help them reduce their food waste. So if you are if you're a restaurant or if you have any type of food service, you can with them you can repurpose, recycle, upcycle your own food waste. And then they give professional training. That's it. This is a very simple video. I think what this company is doing is interesting and worth noticing. They found another way, an interesting way to upcycle food using this very interesting right now technology, which is 3D printing and 3D food printing. Also, we have been talking about it for a while. We have seen it left and right, and it's good, but it's also interesting that now we are using upcycle ingredients. If you are a food designer, I'm pretty sure you can contact them to collaborate on recipes and products. If you have if you are an eating designer, if you have a food service and you want to feature their products, you can connect with them, I'm sure. And I think the beauty of doing this type of things, like sharing other people's work, is so that we can build connections between us like-minded people. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.